Hi, well, welcome back again to a very important class today. We are going to move straight to the topic, which is SQL Stored Procedure. So we are going to look at stored procedure in these lectures this day today. Now, when we say stored procedure, what do we mean by stored procedure? So I will make a reference to this article or this website, which is very, very popular. It is let me show you here. Yeah, so this is stored procedure. So it's in W3 School, very, very popular website. It's a platform that's there's a lot of resources in terms of programming languages and also web-based technologies. Okay, now we are looking at stored procedure. So if you go through this material right now, you see a stored procedure is a prepared SQL code that you can save so that the code can be reused over and over again. So the codes or the SQL commands or statements you make or that you type or whatever you want to execute, so they could be single statement, they could be multiple statement, but you can store them in a single name, like the name of procedure. So when you create a procedure, you name it and then you write your SQL commands there, and then you can just, if you need it, instead of writing the statement over and over again, whichever context you need it, you can just use the name of the procedure and it will execute the entire commands within that procedure. So that's what we're going to see now. Now let's quickly move to the world, the database. Let me just make sure I select it to use world. So for instance, this is a statement. Let me just see everything there. I'll select star from what, from, let me check the table there. So when you check the table, okay, Africa, you see Africa there, select star from Africa, for instance. Okay, so we are going to look at Africa right now. So let's start from Africa. So if you run this code now, I just want to view what is the content of this table, which is Africa. So we have looked at it right now. Now I have this statement here. Let me comment it. Let's assume that we comment it out. We don't want it to exist. We just want to show what is the content of the table. Okay, so let me create a stored procedure. How do you create stored procedure? So you come here in MySQL workbench. So you right click and create stored procedure. So just create stored procedure. Okay, so you have created it now. So the name is this new procedure. So I can change the name here. If I say I can say all Africa. Let me just say all Africa. Just call it all Africa. So you'll be able to see stuff here now, all Africa. So now this is what is there. That's what is there now. Now we have changed the name. The name of the stored procedure is all Africa because I want to just select all the countries or particular information in it. So I'll just say, okay, select. Let me just write my normal SQL statement. Select star from Africa. In that Africa we ran just now, I think in that Africa we ran just now, we discovered that select star from Africa. Okay, so we discovered that we have 2020 year, 2020 year, 2021. I can say where year, or let me just stop there first. I'll come back to that one again. So where year or select star from Africa. So I have it like this, semicolon. I've ended the statement. So I will apply now. So I'll apply. So apply it. So I've created the statement, and if you check now, there's a drop down there. There's a drop down here. All Africa is the name of the procedure. So just like you create tables, you create views, you create procedures. So when you come to procedure, you see drop down. So if I create 5 procedures, you're going to see procedures here. So I have created it right now. So I'm okay. So let me close the tab now. So if I need it now, I can just say call. What is the name of the procedure? All Africa. Say call all Africa. I don't need to type the statement select star from it. If the statement are up to 5 commands or 10 commands, I don't need to type all. I just call the name Africa. Okay, all Africa. Yeah, okay, yeah, run it. So I'll run this statement now and see what it gives me. So you can see now it has given me stuff like this. You understand? So I just call the name. So if I come here again, let me create another stored procedure name. So let me call it specific here, because I want to just choose specific here. Okay, so I want to just call it specific here now. Sorry, my system is hanging somehow. Okay, so I want to call it specific here. Specific here. Okay, so I call it specific here now. The name underscore, please. Okay, even though you don't put underscore, no problem. So far you put the apostrophe. I mean this quote here. This kind of Baltic quotes. Okay, so you come here now. I can say okay, select star from Africa, where year is equals to equals to 2020. Okay, so let me just put it 2020. Okay, so I have this now. So I have created this stuff. So let me put semicolon. So I can create more stuff there. If I want to create more stuff, I can create many different statements here. For now, let me just keep it very simple so you understand the concept. That's the goal. So I call it specific here. So you go to this list now, apply it. So it's created. Specific here is created. So if I need specific here right now, so I can create many procedure like that. So if I need specific here, I can say okay, let me just say this line is specific here. Okay, then this one can be all Africa. I can say all countries. I call this one all countries. So I'm just writing a note here. Now if I need specific here, I can just say okay, call the name is specific here. So I just call it specific here right now. So if I need specific, I can just write specific here. So it's you execute it right now. You see, it's gonna give me year 2020 right now. So that is the concept of call procedure. So I'll just stop here. I just want to explain the concept and give you a simple example so that you understand how it works, and then you can advance it or expand it to whichever scope you want. So thank you very much for this class. So let's look forward to the next class. I'll be teaching other stuff. I'm going to take functions. You see functions here, and then I'll also going to teach joins. I'm not teach join, table joins and relationship between one table and the other. So I'm going to stick that in my future or subsequent classes. Thank you very much and stay safe.